Robart versus Dubro hinge test. Both will be on handmade temporary hinge lines. The Robart will be using 30-minute epoxy, as I usually use in my builds. This Dubro hinge will be using thin foam safe CA, and this test will be using thin foam safe CA and be pinned in place with toothpicks. Same build method as I always do, a little epoxy in the holes, a little bit of epoxy at the very tip of the hinge, a little swirly action, gets everything well coated as it penetrates into the hinge line. Harder to do on the opposite side. But doable. I'm going to imitate the epoxy being into the foam core on most wings, as most of my giant scale builds do have foam core wings. We will imitate that as well. And that should be just about it for this application of the Dubros. And once again, I'm going to, whether I pin my hinges or not, I drill the holes because this works as a glue funnel. I will drip the glue down the hole, and then the hinge can wick that up. I'll go through and probably dab glue into each hole 3 different times, and on the pinned version it'll get the pins on the last time through. I'm going to re-drill one. Re-drilling only one of the pinned hinges due to the pin missed the hinge on the exit. Only doing this to make a fair and simple test with the right applicator, and also try to apply glue to this area here, which I will try to do as I would if I were doing this on an actual model. You get to the hinge line, but once again, I'm not concerned as to whether or not the hinges swing freely. This is only a pull-out test. Whether or not the hinges move freely or not is pretty much irrelevant to this test. So, we have all three ready to go, and we will check tomorrow to see what it takes to break each one and where they break at.